Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the newer iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch version with the M5 processor in it here. So this thing should be very quick and very powerful. I'll come back to that in just a second. Ooh, so you get a black cable now, not white. They're changing it up. That is actually really nice looking. Then we also get a charging brick here. That is 20 watt, you see right there. So that is pretty nice. At least you get something to charge it instead of just a cable, unlike all the new phones. And then we just have a bit of paperwork in there as well. And let's see if I can do this without ripping the nice paper. All right, there we are. And this is the Space Black 256 gigabyte of storage version, the base version. Again, this is the 11-inch. This is $1,000. Just picked it up from Target if you're in the US. So we have our cameras there, our camera system there. Of course, our Apple is blacked out as well. Spot here for the keyboard. So really nothing on that side. We have two speakers on this side. We have our volume rocker there. That guy there. Two more speakers and USB Type-C. And this thing is a fingerprint magnet. And let's see, we should have a camera up in here. Very nice looking, nice and thin as well, super duper thin as well. I wish the phones were that thin. I feel like that is thinner than the phones are. Maybe not more than the Air though. Yeah, very nice looking tablet. Like I said, just a very quick unboxing here. I'm going to be doing a bunch of comparisons with this versus my other tablets I have, including the iPad 10. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to also do some other tests on it, like gaming and stuff, especially Roblox. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Have a good one. Goodbye.